Hi, IMPs. This is Ms. Spade, your instructional facilitator at East Cary Middle, here to guide you through your WakeID portal and the apps that you may be using as we start remote learning. From the East Cary Middle School page, if you will scroll to the middle of the page to the menu tabs and click WakeID, this will take you to your WakeID portal. If this is your first time logging into WakeID portal, you're going to select Student and your WakeID login. It may be your first initial, middle initial, last name, or some variation of that. I'm going to log in as a student and I'm going to walk you through how to use some of the apps that are available. If this is your first time signing in, you're going to follow these steps. You've already accessed your WakeID portal. You're going to enter your WakeID, which again is your first initial, middle initial, last name, maybe a number. Your password is going to be your student ID number. If you have signed into WakeID before and you cannot remember your password, please contact your homeroom teacher or Mrs. Deanna Harris, the East Cary Middle School Media Center Coordinator. First-time users, you have selected Student, put in your WakeID, and you're going to select Continue. Your password, again, is going to be your student ID number. Once you sign in, it's going to bring you up to your WakeID apps. First-time users will also be prompted to change your passwords. Starting with step 2, these are the instructions on how to change your WakeID password. Okay, so once you are into WakeID, I'm going to quickly sign in as a student. You're going to see the apps that are going to be available in your WakeID portal. You're going to have an app that prompts you directly to the school web page, your email account, your Google Drive, Google Classroom, and Canvas. These will be the most used apps in your WakeID portal. Please make sure you check your school email account daily. This is the communication app that you will be receiving information from your teachers in regards to instruction during the remote learning process. Some teachers will be using the Google Classroom platform to post assignments, as well as others may be using Canvas. Again, please make sure that you check these apps daily so that you could stay on top of assignments and announcements that you may be receiving from your teachers. You can also communicate with your teachers via email through your school email account, as well as through Google Classroom and Canvas. Now that you have access to your WakeID portal and the apps that you'll be using during remote learning, if you should have questions, again, please contact your homeroom teacher, or you may contact Ms. Deanna Harris, the East Cary Middle School Media Center Coordinator. Thanks, IMPs, and as always, stay green and have an imptacular day.